Hello Year 1, Miss Guest here. A little bit more maths today. This lesson is for Thursday, the 9th of July. And today we're going to be doing 10 more and 10 less. So I've drawn out the table from the home learning sheet, and we're going to first work out 10 more than 13, and I'm going to use some raisins and I'm going to use my 100 square. So I'm going to find the number 13. I know this number has got 2 digits in. In the tens, we've got one lot of 10 and we've got 3 ones. Okay, and I'm going to add 10 more raisins. I'm going to count on 10. So I'm going to put 1 on 14. That's the number I'm starting on. If I was doing a jump onto my raisin, so I'm going to put 1 on there. 1 on 15. Remember, on 100 square we go from the left across because we're counting upwards when we're adding. So let's check how many I've added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then when we get to 20 we've got to come down onto the next line, back over onto the left. 20. Okay, so I've added 10. I'm going to check by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know my answer. 10 more than 13 is going to be 23. Now I've noticed a pattern here because I've added 10 and I've landed on the number underneath. 10 more than 13 is 23. So I've come down the column to the number underneath. And when we add 10, our ones are staying the same because the number add 10 has got 0 in the ones column. We're just adding 1 more. So 10 more than 13 is 23. Now I'm going to find out 10 less. I'm going to take away 10 from 13. So I'm starting on 13 again, but when we're taking away, our numbers are getting smaller. We're jumping back down, going from right to left, and then we're going up and across again. So I'm going to start, my starting number is 13, that's where I put my finger. Do 1 jump back to 12. To 11, this is the hard bit, so we're counting backwards. 12, 11, we've got to go up to 10, 9, 8. Now I've got to remember I'm taking away 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's another pattern here. If you do 10 less and you take away 10, your answer is 1 square up. So 13 take away 10 is 3. If you didn't want to use 100 square, you might want to use some more raisins, and I'm going to use pasta. I'm going to use spaghetti sticks. So these are going to be my 10s, because I haven't got any 10 sticks like we've got in school. And if I put them over onto this plate, I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, so we can count them as 10s. We haven't got to count all the individual ones, we just know that there is 10. These sticks are showing us 10, and then my raisins are my ones. So I'm going to show you 13. 13 has got 1 lot of 10 and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. And when we count, we start and count 10, 11, 12, 13. If I want to do 10 more, I don't need to put 10 little raisins on. I'm just going to put one more stick of 10. Now when I count, I can count 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 13, add 10 more, makes 23. The ones have stayed the same. 13 has got 3 ones and 23 has got 3 ones. But we've added one more lot of 10. So now we've got 2 lots of 10. So in my box, 10 more. The ones have stayed the same. We've still got 3 lots of ones, but we've added one more lot of 10. So now we've got 23. Now we're going to work out 10 less. So I'm going to check that I've got 13 because that's my starting number, and I'm going to work out 10 less from 13. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm going to take away 10. I'm going to take away one lot of 10. Put it over there out of the way. And now I've got 0 lots of 10. And I've just got 3 ones left. So I'm going to go back to my table and I can write that 13 take away 10 equals 3. And that's the same as we got on the 100 square.